Hey guys, I need your help. I have a carrier furnace that I've only had for about a year and a half, and it's short cycling. I've got this recorded so you can see the error code that I'm getting from the blinking light. I'm hoping that somebody knows what's going on. I just changed the air filter, so that's not the problem. I opened up all the vents and made sure the dampers and everything were opened. That didn't change anything. It's still doing it. So I'm not sure exactly what's going on. I did set up a service appointment for Monday, last week of October. Hoping I can get some kind of idea of what's going on before that. So that way I hopefully don't have to pay the service charge, because I spoke with Angelo Chiodo and they said that there's a very good chance that I might have to pay a service charge because it's over a year old. So I'm hoping you guys can help me on this. See if I can get you the furnace model. So hopefully that gives you some kind of idea. I don't know what else to say. It's kind of upsetting because to only have a furnace for a little over a year, I got it July of last year, and now my second winter, and the furnace is already acting up. It's short cycling, so I don't know what to do, what to check, or any of that. Please help me out if you can. Thank you, guys.